Hi, my name is Christian Castillo. I live here in Frisco, Texas. Uh, I do Christmas lights. I've been doing this one for 16 years. And finally, I decided to invent my own clip. The reason I did is because I've been using all the clips in the markets, And you can see this is the clips that I've been using. And this is another clip that I've been using. This one right here. And this is the other clip that I've been using. Alright? All these clips are good, in the shingles and gutters. The only problem that I have is at the end of the season when I start taking my lights down. Most of these clips, probably everybody knows, when you start taking down, some of these fell down, they got stuck on the shingles, they got stuck on the gutters. So, and time is very important for me, When fell downs on the flower beds, especially my guys, sometimes they're not very careful and they step on the flowers, plants, and then I start getting calls from customers that are not happy with what we did. So what I did is I invented this clip over here. This clip has a UV protection, it's eco-friendly, and our manufacturer is over here in Dallas. So this clip is made in USA. So this clip, what it does is we use it right here from on top coming down, and what that it just click. You can see it right there. So because it has a little teeth on it, let me show you right there, teeth on it, like almost like a zip tie. So if you want to take the clip, it just come down up, so you can see those little teeth right there. So you can see pushing down and right there. And this clip, it worked for C9, C7, and I believe it will go all the way to C5s. So this is a neat clip, So this one, it will avoid all these things happens to me all these years, because like I say, I got tired doing that. And then we have the stake too, and the same design has a little teeth on it, and you can see here is the same process. Come and you do this and just lock them up. The reason we do this way is because probably everybody doing this business, they use this kind of stakes. This one right here has a little teeth on it, and what it does is you put it right here, and when you twist it little by little, it keeps damage the wire. Depends how thick is the wire, but sometimes it kind of peel it right there. And when it rains, customer call, you get a call from the customer and say, oh, my lights are not working and all that. This one right here is a good stake, but they got the same issue. When you put it right here and right here, and little by little, you see that pressure right there on the cable? That's it. That you see that? And that, when the rain or the customer forgot to turn off the sprinkle, you have the same issue. Then you have to go back to the house and go to the break and fix it. So that's why we got this stake. So it's easy, and it has the same thing. It has UV protection. It's eco-friendly, made in USA. Our manufacturer is actually here in Dallas, and our warehouse is over here in Frisco. It's the same. You can see it right there. Teeth on it, work, take them out, up. And the same. The stake, it will work for C9, C7, and probably go maybe C5s. Same thing in the clip. You can see it right there, how small they go. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you buy my product. Thank you.